We go to other news now. A St. Catherine man who was listed among 7 persons of interest after the killing of a family of 3 in Waterloo, St. Catherine, is speaking out this evening. He is concerned that the police are not doing enough to clear his name after he was questioned. Kirk Wright has that story.
After the triple killing of a family in Waterloo, St. Catherine early Wednesday morning, the police released the names of several persons of interest they wanted to question in relation to the murders. A man identified with his alias Thickman was among the list. We later learned that his real name is Ofni Loban. Mr. Loban says he went to the police on Thursday.
Them call me enough man of interest and them give me a time. I'm going out before the time. I'm going with my lawyer. You see me? And I like me alone I'm going with my lawyer. We share thoughts with the officer them from St. Catherine Division, and them take with them talk to me and everything. Lawyer they present, and I end up go home.
He's reached out to us because he says the police turned up to his girlfriend's house on Thursday while no one was there. He's concerned that they went there because he visits her frequently.
I end up go home. Then I get calls say someone we used to be before. Today we hear say yo police. We have all the footage of the police them on the camera. Them only come still and end up test the gate, walk around the premises, but the gate was closed. You understand? But as what I tell you, so the camera dead. So the camera intercept everything where them end up come and said and I do.
Our newsroom reported on Mr. Loban's release Thursday after he was questioned by the police, but he wants the lawmen to go further by making it known publicly he's not wanted for the triple murder or any other crimes committed.
Them not abuse my writing in a way, yeah, but them still never really take a time out for really end up put out back for say yo, yeah, you Ofni Loban did end up come in, Ofni Loban did end up clear himself, Ofni Loban for real for make people end up have it a better way more than all them for have it.
I asked Mr. Loban if he's a violence producer, a term used by the police to describe persons who they say are perpetrators of criminal activities. He has disassociated himself from that label, expressing surprise that he was even named as a person of interest.
With me in a Spain or anywhere at all, we might be end up share space. We do more good more than bad. You understand? We'll eat more good more than bad. Because I'm not going to say you're the perfect type or, you understand? But everybody have an upstage of life where them might be upgrade. You understand? So things that we might be doing in the past, we're not doing no more. You see me I say? So we reach a stage where right now we might be share thoughts with people and try to have you to live up and have you to hold up.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Now, head of the Constabulary Communications Network, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, has confirmed that Mr. Loban was questioned and released yesterday. She says the police are on a mission to find the persons who killed the family of 3 in Waterloo, St. Catherine, and will continue to carry out intelligence-led operations in different locations when necessary.